what's going on, everyone? Just wanted to come to you real quick with an unboxing video of some new boots that I had purchased recently. So I had purchased the Under Armour Charged Raider 600 gram boots so I can, of course, keep my feet warm during the late December hunts. But also this way my son can use my brow tines, the Under Armour brow tine boots that I've been using for the last couple of years. He's going to use those and I'm going to use these. So figured what better time than to try a new pair of boots and when my son's needing a pair of boots anyway. So yeah, so hopefully they perform just as well as the brow tine, and I've got high hopes for these. So I've never had any issues with any Under Armour products. As you can, got sweaters, all my camos, Under Armour Baron camo pattern. So these are, hopefully work out just as well as all the others. But anyway, got the box here. FedEx kind of beat it up, as you can see. I don't know what you guys are doing over there, but not good. Good thing this wasn't fragile. The boots aren't going to get hurt, but still, packaging looks terrible. So anyway, typical, it's got the Under Armour box. If I can get out of the box, let's go. All right, so Under Armour Baron camo Charged Raider 600 gram 10.5 size. So inside the box, maybe I should show you guys this. Got the boots wrapped up, look nice, and the boots here are there. There you go. There are the boots. You've got the Baron camo. It's a little bit different feel than the other ones. It seems to, I don't know what kind of, maybe nylon, I don't know what kind of fabric that is, but it seems to be good. It'll be waterproof, I'm sure. It says it is, so nothing worse than getting wet feet. But anyway, I like the color. Sole's nice, feels solid. Haven't tried them on yet, but first initial impressions, they are built well, just like any other Under Armour product that I've had. Inside you've got the scent control lining, which is nice. And honestly, these are lighter than my brow tines. So that's gonna be nice for longer hikes in the woods or in the mountains. Yeah, I'm actually kind of surprised at how light they are. So anyway, they look a little thinner than the other ones, not as bulky as the brow tines either. So that's good as well. Buckles here, they seem to be, they're good. They got a little curve on them, unlike the other boots that I've got. So that'd be good to keep the laces in there. Not sure how they're gonna do getting the laces in there, but we'll figure that out when we actually do the full review. So anyway, first initial thoughts, I like the color, I like the camo pattern. They seem well built, sole seems solid, seems sturdy, and I just can't wait to get them out and see how they perform. So we're gonna come to you with another video of the full review. I'm actually gonna do a written review on my website as well, which is www.sizzlingarrow.com. So, I got to get them out there and test them. I'm going to go out Tuesday and give them a first initial test and see how they perform, and take them out a few more times before we actually get a full review on it. Because I want to take them in, in some mud. I want to get them in some water, step in some creeks, just kind of beat them up a little bit like we do with all our hunting equipment. So anyway, stick around for those, and in the meantime, check out the website. I've got a few other write-ups in there, broadheads, scope review, a few other blogs in there too. So that's, again, www.sizzlingarrow.com, and check back here in a couple weeks for the full review of the Under Armour Charged Raider 600 gram boots. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.